Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the VOPEAK brand, their stone bath mat, quick drying bath mat. It has a Diatomaceous earth with non-slip base, super absorbent, easy to clean. This is 23.5 inches by 15 inches. It totally absorbs water and anything. It's quick drying, 100% natural, non-asbestos, safe and healthy, antimicrobial. And another name is called this Diatomite, another name. And the thickness of this is about 60 centimeters by 39 centimeters. That's the size, I'm sorry. The thickness is 0.9 centimeters. And the composition is 60% diatomite, 30% mineral, and 10% fiber. And it comes with a little instruction manual telling you how to use it. And it also comes with a piece of sandpaper in case you have a real tough stain on there. This could be sanded and reused over and over again. And a nicely pre-cut non-slip pad that you put on the bottom of it to keep this from moving around. That's included also. So I did some research on this, and Diatomite earth mat is highly absorbent, non-slip mat made from Diatomaceous earth. It's a hard word to say. It's both antimicrobial and eco-friendly, which allows you to keep your bathroom dry and clean, make an ideal replacement for traditional bath mats. You can also use this on where you feed your animals, their bowls or feeding bowls and stuff. It's got this nice pattern that's cut in there, no sharp edges on here, and it's got a hefty weight to it. It's not going to move around. So it's got a really hefty weight to it. And once you put that pad on there, which is included, it's definitely not going to move around. So this is very eco-friendly and very fast dry. We're going to try to put some water in here to see how it absorbs it, and then we're going to be using it in my shower area. It says that the quick dry mat stays dry quickly in less than 10 seconds after absorbing water. That's pretty interesting. This is also flat and won't curl, so you have to worry about the edges curling up like a traditional floor mat. They do curl up and you can trip on them. This is not going to happen. And they purposely didn't make it thick so that you have to worry about having a step to go over. So it's all natural and that's safe also. So you can also just clean this, rinse it off, or use a damp cloth. It's very simple to do, no maintenance whatsoever. And it has that really nice pattern on there, so it looks nice. So here I have a quarter cup of water. Let's just see what happens. So the first thing you notice is, look how fast it absorbed that water. I mean, it's just absorbed inside the material. So that's what's impressive about it, is that it has so much fibrous material in there that can quickly absorb moisture. Now if this was your foot, you would see your footprints on there and it would absorb it. But you could see that as I move this along, look at that. And then you notice what happens is, see how it's drying? So that was a lot of water in one area. But let's take a look here. If we move this, you see what's happening? You see how it's moving and then disappearing? That's the whole idea, is that this absorbs so fast that it goes off the surface, the vertical surface of the pad itself. How cool is that? And this here is wet, but it's slowly going deeper inside, and it's going to just eventually disappear, just like I'm showing right there. Very nice. So there's where I'm going to be using it, right out of my shower stall area, and it fits perfectly right there and allows us to step on it, get rid of the water that's coming out of our body, off our body during a shower, and it looks nice too. You can really see that pattern on there. So after testing, what do I think about the VOPEAK brand, their stone bath mat with the quick drying material on there? Really cool product, very smooth. As I demonstrated, it absorbs like crazy. Comes with the sandpaper you're going to need if you want to remove stains, and the non-slip mat that's cut to this perfectly. So I'm impressed with this product. I've never had one of these before, and I'm going to use them extensively because it works really well. So the VOPEAK brand, the stone bath mat, I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helps you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.